Cold sky band. 5 to 40 meters up, you meet the queen at a drone congregation. Thousands swirl. Your concrete cost begins. You, the drone bee, mate once. Your endophallus everts detaches and tears your abdomen. You die before ground. The queen keeps flying. Day 0, you, the drone bee, begin as an unfertilized egg. Haploid, 16 chromosomes, no father, placed in a drone-sized brood cell. Worker sister, nurse guard warms the cell. Haplodiploidy sets your role at birth, long before you ever try to mate. You, the drone bee, hatch as a larva. You cannot feed yourself. Workers deliver brood food again to the surrounding cells. Dependence is total. Worker sister, nurse guard times feedings toward capping. Stage ends when your cell is sealed and development turns inside. Your cell is capped. Your body reorganizes into adult drone form. Around 24 days from egg, you will chew out and emerge. A fixed timeline disciplines the brood. Worker sister, nurse guard guards the capped cell while you change. Next, the cap cracks. You, the drone bee, chew out as an adult. Oversized eyes meet at the top. Blunt abdomen. No sting, built to chase. Early, worker sister, nurse guard still feeds you. Later, you self-feed from honey cells inside the hive. You never forage outside. Around 8 days after emergence, you, the drone bee, take orientation flights from landing board, mapping your home before risking aerial arena. Beyond the doorstep lies a drone congregation area, a sky band 5 to 40 meters where drones swirl. The queen passes here. You, the drone bee, haploid, 16 chromosomes. Born to mate, not forage, you shift from nurse-fed to self-feeding from honey cells. Fuel in, flights out. Orientation began day 8, and every loop burns sugar. You top cells, then track back toward the board. At the board, you extend loops. Sexual maturity approaches in 15 to 23 days. You, the drone bee, need warm muscles. Memorize the door, then the skyline. Tilt your map upward toward the aerial band 5 to 40 meters, where you'll eventually mate. Over the fields, you enter an aerial band 5 to 40 meters high where thousands of drones swirl for the queen. Wind lanes, sun angle, and memory hold you. The drone bee in position. Born to mate once, you hover inside flow. Crowded air, thousands attend. The queen mates with a dozen males across flights. For you, the drone bee, math is brutal. Even a perfect sprint can lose here. Born into low odds, most drones, like you, will never mate. You, the drone bee, trains sprints and turns. Oversized eyes meeting on top stitch motion into target. Anatomy connects to pursuit. Every attempt sharpens the seconds-long dash. Born to mate, you anchor faster, accelerate harder, hoping one clean line beats the swarm. Back at the board, empty-clawed, you, the drone bee, slip through the door to refuel on honey, waiting for next attempt. Failure resets the cycle. Most drones never mate. Born for that, you queue for morning light and try again across 4 to 8-week season. You, the drone bee, warm at the board. Maturity nears in 15 to 23 days. You advance toward chase to mate. Plan your timing toward the sky lane 5 to 40 meters up. Attempt start. You were born to chase once and mate. Climb to the altitude band, 5 to 40 meters high. You, the drone bee, try to hold core lane you found. Map flow from above, then back to side view. Your job. Hold this band or you won't mate. A surge feels like alarm. You, the drone bee, launch into a chase. The cluster collapses, no contact, practice, energy burning. You wobble back toward the edge, your savings burned. Born to mate, you reset position and wait for the next real wave. The entry wave cuts the band. You, the drone bee, lock a point and go. A chase built for seconds-long dash. Tunnel vision narrows. Your world is one silhouette, then bodies flood the lane. The batch's climax slips. You drop in altitude, unmated. You almost close, then a wall of bodies blocks line. Wings buzz hot. You, the drone bee, peel back toward board. Spent, you angle for the door. Recovery beats pride. Your plan is reach safety, cool down, then refuel for another born purpose. Back at the cells, you drink honey. Your clock runs short. Roughly 4 to 8 weeks of tries if you never mate. You, the drone bee, settle into cycle. Your body drinks, rests, then aims back at first light, born to chase again. You, The drone bee warm at the board, aiming early for priority in the 5 to 40-meter band before crowds build. Better timing is your only edge. Born to mate once, you attempt a cleaner line back toward the DCA core. Inside the aerial layer, 5 to 40 meters up, the drone bee center on flow to control, starts at the core. From above, the pattern clarifies. Begin centered, not at edges. Holding altitude and position decides whether you ever mate. The drone bee, idle ahead of a forming wave, conserving energy. A 4 to 8 week season punishes waste. When the surge cuts the band, you strike first. Position plus timing can beat faster bodies if your launch is perfect. A real entry wave slices the band. Oversized eyes stitch motion into one path as you. The drone bee accelerate full tilt. For a breath, it feels clean, then turbulence wobbles the corridor. Purpose brushes past, not through this time. Cross-current bodies shear your line. The drone bee, tip out of the core as wing muscles burn. Purpose recedes with altitude. You spiral out, preserving what's left for another attempt back at the board today. Back at the cells, you drink honey and refuel. The math doesn't blink. Thousands attend. The queen mates with 12 to 14. Your 4 to 8 week window keeps shrinking. The drone bee, rest, reset, and aim earlier to reach the core. At dawn, the drone bee, launch early from the board, born to mate, aiming to claim the core before density builds. Arriving first is your advantage. In a skyband, thousands compete, and one queen mates with roughly 12-14 drones. In a flight band, the drone bee, are born for center control. Edges dump you, wasting your energy. Staying centered controls corrections under pressure. Thousands share this air, while one queen averages but roughly 12 to 14 mates across flights. A clean corridor tempts your dash. You drive a burst, but turbulence wobbles the line. No contact. Thousands surge behind. The drone bee, fall back and reset. One queen still averages about 12-14 mates, and you miss again. Then the queen actually appears in the band. One moving target, and thousands of drones pivot into a single chase. She is a virgin on mating flights, averaging roughly 12 to 14 mates. You lock focus because your purpose lasts seconds. Aligned on the queen's track, seconds from contact, crossing bodies cut your line inside the flight band now. She continues. The drone bee, skid wide. Thousands remain behind her, and only roughly 12 to 14 mates will ever succeed. Inside the drone bee, drink from open cells. Born to mate, you refuel because your active season lasts roughly 4 to 8 weeks. The numbers haven't changed. Thousands attend DCAs, while one queen offers roughly a dozen chances. You plan the next launch window. At first light, the drone bee, reach the core band. A queen passes, corridor opens for seconds, window to accelerate. You pivot hard onto the queen's line. Born to mate, your seconds shrink as thousands crowd the band's corridor. Another entry wave. The drone bee, align on the queen, even alignment. Seconds from contact when cross-traffic slices the line. Bodies intersect. She vanishes into the swirl. Born to mate, your corridor collapses again, and you re-embed in the core. Wind ruffles the lane. The drone bee, hold the 540-meter band with micro-corrections, or eddies dump you out. Staying embedded protects access to chances. Born to mate, your patience saves energy for the next clean corridor. A clean ripple forms. The drone bee, explode forward, eyes locked. Match climax dash, where perfect control still misses contact. You hold longer than ever. Born to mate, your line flawless, yet the target slips a body length ahead. Overheated and spent, the drone bee, drift from the core and drop to the doorstep board to bleed off heat. The arena keeps roaring above. Born to mate, your fatigue warns. Reset now or miss the next fragile window. Inside the comb, the drone bee, drink from open cells. Your active season runs 4 to 8 weeks if unmated. Later in the year, drones are evicted outside. Born to mate, your clock keeps ticking while you refuel for dawn. At first light, the drone bee, rise into the core and hold a lane in the 540-meter band. Preemptive holding saves energy. Timing is your advanced edge as thousands of drones raise density soon. Born to mate. A corridor opens. You, the drone B, burst on a cleaner attempt, but bodies cross, path buckles, contact evaporates. You hold longer than before. Crowd currents collapse the line, and you wobble back to the core to reset, born to mate. Between surges, you, the drone B, idle in the band, conserving energy, micro-correcting alignment for one decisive sprint. Your budgeting matters. A short 4 to 8 week window punishes waste, so restraint keeps you embedded and ready, born to mate. At the door, worker sister, nurse guard controls traffic on the board. Later in the season, eviction denies re-entry. You, the drone B, keep moving. Born to mate, you pass for now, but the checkpoint pressure rises. Worker sister, nurse guard begins eviction at the door. You, the drone B, watch, knowing re-entry can be denied later. Stakes escalate. Born to mate, you refuel fast and avoid attention, because later, blocked entrances will leave you outside. Inside the comb, you, the drone B, drink from open cells. Self-feeding keeps attempts alive when timing is everything. The math hasn't changed. Thousands attend, and one queen offers roughly a dozen mates. You rest, born to try again. At arrival, worker sister, nurse guard turns the door into a checkpoint. Entry is metered as control escalates at the board. You, the drone B, squeeze past for now. Born to mate, your arrival scrutinized, another pass already queued at the entry line. You, the drone B, attempt to enter. Worker sister, nurse guard blocks and denies you. Direct shove off the warm board. Denied, you climb toward the DCA. Born to mate, your fuel and time shrinking inside a 4 to 8 week season. Back to the aerial arena. You, the drone B, climb to the band, 540 meters up, and hold a lane calmly. Budgeting matters now. One decisive chance beats frantic chasing when your short season allows only so many full-power attempts. At the door, worker sister, nursed guard begins mass dragouts. Drones seized, re-entry blocked, the board clearing under late-season pressure. You, the drone B, edge away, born to mate, avoiding the sweep as workers bar entries and haul bodies toward the edge. At the edge, you, the drone B, conserve fuel, mapping the cleanest corridor from the entrance vector for a final count-worthy launch. Tomorrow must count. Perfect setup might beat crowd interference when your purpose is a single contact window measured in seconds. Inside, you, the drone B, drink from open cells. Self-feeding keeps attempts alive, bridging exhaustion and the next dawn launch. The hard math holds. Thousands attend DCAs, and queen averages a dozen mates. You steel yourself, born to try again, at dawn. Morning in the band, you, the drone B, lock on the queen, born to mate. Concrete cost, thousands attend, dozen mates. Contact. Your endophallus everts and detaches. Fatal cold damage. You, the drone B, die before you fall. The queen continues mating. At the door, worker sister, nurse guard leads other workers. Late active season, they block the board and drag unmated drones. Tomorrow the cycle continuing. Unfertilized haploid eggs, 16 chromosomes, are laid. Your sisters raise drones born to mate, then evict the rest.